Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. In this video, I want to show you a couple of different swing trade setups. So, we're in a really kind of a market period where it's very uncertain. So it could still go either way as far as the broad markets. We've had a kind of a downside move. Market over the last day or so has stabilized a bit, but we're still at a critical kind of transition period. So you want to be very specific as far as your longs and shorts. But I think it's good to have a combination of both. So here's a really good long trade setup. This is EXAS. So just want to show you the setup itself. So this is a trade that we actually got into on Monday, but it still looks good for a potential upside move here to 42 using our Fibonacci support resistance or retracement levels. So first off, though, you can see here it was in a volatility squeeze on the hourly right here. Volatility squeeze on the daily. So this has potential for a big upside move based on our momentum. You see our momentum indicators. This is a momentum flow indicator here. Cycle 1 and 2 are momentum. Everything's positive. And this is a new indicator that I've just developed, and this is a cycle reversal indicator. So you can see on the hourly, it had a reversal here on Friday. Okay, right here, and you can see the trigger signal right there. And then we had another momentum crossed over right here on cycle 1 and 2. So nice, movement to the upside based on momentum. And then we got a daily buy trigger here on Monday. So we took this trade as a call debit spread, looking for a target up to 42. Okay, so that looks good. And then on the other side, here's a potential short trade setup on DECK. Now this is a short trade setup for Decker's Outdoor. Okay, so first off, we've had here's my new indicator here. This is called a reversal cycle indicator. So we had on a weekly long-term basis, it reversed here the week in June basically, and then started coming off. Then we had another momentum signal trigger here and here. Broke a long-term trend line basically last week, and right now we're at that 618 retracement. So here's the swing low to high. Here's a 618 retracement sitting there. So this looks very, very prone to breaking. Momentum's down, so the next target will be 60 right here. This is a 50-week simple moving average, and then down here to about 57, that prior low. So I think that looks really good for potential short trade setup. And here it is on a daily time frame. You can see this volatility squeeze, very, very tight, kind of coiling pattern here. And the potential based on our momentum, this is our momentum flow indicator, and momentum cycle 1 and 2, everything's below zero. See all the red? So very, very strong momentum potentially to the downside here. Now we're getting a little bit of a retracement here today in the 8 EMA exponential, so you could wait, if you're interested in shorting this, but you can see here's the 618 at 62.55, and if it closes, if it can't recover over that 618 right there, then I think this has good potential to move down here. This is a 150-day moving average and 200-day moving average. So two trade setups that you might want to take a look at, and one is a potential short, and the other one was EXAS potential long. Hope this helps. Talk to you on my next video update.